Assalamualaikum followers. Hope you are fine. Today I am discussing about vocabulary. What is vocabulary and why it is important? Basically, vocabulary is the glue that holds the stories, ideas and content together. It enables us to interpret and to express ourselves. If we have limited vocabulary, we will have limited vision. So let's start with some vocabulary words. Our first word is anarchy. It's not anarchy. In this word, R is silent. Its meaning is इंतशार या लाकानूनियत. Synonyms: chaos, lawlessness, rebellion, misrule. Antonyms are order, government, law. Example: some people try to spread anarchy in the country. Next, let's move to the next word. Onset, आगाज होना, शुरू होना, फूटना. Its synonyms are outbreak, beginning, rise, emergence. This term is especially used for something unpleasant happening. Antonyms are end, completion, termination. Its example is the world this year led to the onset of various diseases. Next word is reluctant. Reluctant, हिचकिचाहट, गैर आमादा. Synonyms: unwilling, hesitant, resisting, unconfident. Antonyms are eager, ready, willing. Example: many people are still reluctant to talk about their problems. Many people are still reluctant to talk about their problems. Next word is thrive. तरक्की की मंजिल तय करना, आगे बढ़ना, पलना, फलना, फूलना. Synonyms are to do well, healthy, expand, increase, shoot up, bloom. Antonyms are wither, fail, decline. Example: when this company built here, our small town is sure to thrive again. Candid, साफ गोई. Synonyms are straightforward, honest, sincere, frank, direct, outspoken. Antonyms are insincere, secretive, guarded. Example is early response were remarkably candid. Eradicate, जड़ से खत्म करना, मिटाना. Synonyms are eliminate, get rid of, wipe out, abolish, suppress, erase. Antonyms are propagate, foster, implant. Example: this disease has been eradicated from the world. Condemn, सजा देना, मजम्मत करना. Synonyms are criticize, blame, censure, declare, guilt.